This is gonna blow your mind. Microwaves can now think for themselves. Nope, it's not science fiction. Let's see how AI is spicing things up in your kitchen. So, how does an AI microwave work? Instead of just zapping your food for a set time, these smart microwaves use sensors and machine learning. That means they can tell what kind of food you put in and cook it perfectly every single time. Pop in some pizza, AI will adjust the heat so it's crispy, not soggy. Leftover pasta, no more cold spots, just even heating, fast. And if you forget your food, many models send a ping to your phone. So next time you're thinking high-tech, don't forget the humble microwave. AI is making your kitchen smarter, one meal at a time.